Hi guys, welcome or welcome back dito sa akin channel. For today's video, we are not in Switzerland, we are not in the Philippines, but we are in Tokyo, Japan. So we have a vacation with my family here. It's their first time here in Japan, and we will be exploring for 6 days. We will start in Tokyo pero may flight kami later, a bit later sa Osaka, and then we will go around Kyoto, etc. And then also babalik kami ng Tokyo. So anyway, hinintay pa namin yung flight namin pa Osaka, and then we just ordered some food. Ayan. Ito yung food court nila actually. So ayan. So binili lang kami ng rice, and then bumili lang kami ng ramen doon. So hinihintay pa namin. But anyway, ayan sila. Hirap na hirap sa chopsticks.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Narita
Welcome
Airport.
to Japan.
Hi.
So this is what we eat for lunch. So we have ramen, gyoza, and then chicken karaage. So ayan. So lumipad nga kami from Tokyo to Osaka. Hindi kami nag-direct flight from Clark to Osaka kasi medyo mahal na yung ticket, and hindi namin alam talaga or sure na mag-Osaka kami. But anyway, ito na nga, from the airport ay nag-train kami papunta doon sa center. So ayan, paglabas namin, ito yung nakita namin. Sobrang impressive nga ng Osaka. Actually, nag-book ako ng Airbnb malapit talaga dito sa may Dotonbori para walking distance na lang for my parents, and hindi na kami mag-train pa. So paglabas nga namin ng station, ito yung nakita namin, sobrang daming shops and restaurants. And note lang, kapag ka pumunta kayo dito, wag na kayo masyadong magdala ng gamit. Kasi pwede naman kayo bumili dito, mas mura pa, and pwede pang magka-tax free, lalo na pag Uniqlo, mga GU, ganyan. So winter pa lang ngayon, so tigi-isang jacket lang talaga yung dala namin. And ayan, sobrang colorful na mga restaurants dito, although medyo mahal yung food, pero ayan. Hi guys, good morning. So lumilipad yung buhok ko. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back in my channel. So for today's video, we're not in Switzerland, but in Osaka, Japan. So anyway, we're back. The gang is complete. And for today's video, we will have a tour. Tingnan ko lang yung kopya ko kung ano yung tour. So we booked a Kiyomizu Temple, Fushimi Inari Taisha, and Nara Park Day Tour. So it's currently around 7:54. It's currently around 7:54 a.m. and tumataas yung buhok ko. It's 7:54 a.m. and meron kaming meeting point at around 8:30. Pero since we are with the senior citizens, so kailangan naming maaga. So anyway, we will try to have a picture andun sa Osaka, and then let's see kung anong mangyayari. So ayan sila.
Hello. Good morning.
Oh, guys.
Kailan tayo? Tayo ba?
Hi guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Kiyomizu Dera Temple. So the direct translation of Kiyomizu is pure waterfall. But anyway, this is one of the landmarks here in Kyoto. So anyway, nagbook pala kami ng group tour since hindi kami makapag-DIY since we are with the parentals. So we paid around less than 3,000 here per person, and it's a 10-hour tour. So from Osaka, nagbus kami papunta dito sa Kyoto for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and then we will now first go to this temple. It's a very famous temple here, and then meron din shops sa gilid niya. So meron overlooking view if I'm not mistaken here. So ayan yung parentals. Ayan yung bus station, and then hindi na din kami sumunod dun sa tourist guide kasi nga medyo mabilis kasi yon, and kami na lang. Dito din pala magla-lunch. So it's currently around 10 siguro, and then babalik kami dito around 12:20. So yun, let's go.
Yung jacket mo. Alis siya kayo ba may picture yung jacket ko? Sayang yan, kamal na panin. Ha? Ano po, baka na tao kaya ng temple.
Hi, we're here in going to the temple, Osaka. Ha?
Bakit sa kalupon, gatas na.
Ay.
사랑에 빠진 것 같아 버렸어 이번엔 다른 것 같아 정말
I'm a mountain.
것 같아 진지해요 놀리면 안 돼요
Salog pa, Carnes.
두근거리는 가슴 때문에
Saka yata yun.
진지해요
Oh.
사랑
Tara pa-picture tayo ng kitang temple at tayo mamalik.
Atin po kaming temple in Japan.
수 있게 해줘요 조금씩 살금살금 주문을 걸고 있네 나를 돌아볼지도 몰라 상상만으로는 안돼
So guys, gusto nyo mag-stop dito lang kayo pupunta. Pero para-pareho lang sila. So habang
됐을 거야 진지해요 놀라지 말아요
Kaya mo sa
깨지는 내볼 때문에 진지해요
Uy, ano ba ba?
사랑에 빠진 나
Yan po sa inyo ang kanukuyan nila.
수 있게
Hindi na kami pumunta sa loob kasi nga medyo daming tao. Ayan, makikita nyo.
Sagawa.
Pwede naman kayo mag-picture outside. Ayun, sobrang ganda naman ng view. Ayan. So, check na lang yan. So, yun lang. So, hi guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Malapit lang siya sa temple. And then, ito siya. So, we're gonna order this beef, Japanese beef set meal. Plus yung kanilang, tempura. Saka, here, the tempura with the miso soup. And then, we have I think we have the palate cleanser and then the dessert. Then we have here the beef soup with egg, yan, niluluto pa. And then we have the fish or eel. May tinik lang siya, pero ayan. So, here. Before the game. Let's go.
Grazie.
So hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto, Japan. So ayun yung entrance niya. So this is famous for their torii gate. Yun yung mga red na yan. Kasi these gates are donated by individuals and businesses as offerings to Inari of deity of rice, agriculture and prosperity. So itong shrine na to, para siya sa goddess or deity of prosperity and rice. And then yung nag-donate ng mga arcs na yan is yung mga individuals and businesses praying for prosperity and everything. So ayan. Tapos kung makikita nyo yung fox na yan, so messengers of Inari. So ayan. So sa tabi niyan, we have, kailangan maglinis ka muna ng kamay. Ayan.
Marimlo.
Itong foxes ay symbolizes messengers of Inari. So may hawak silang mga susi. So ayan. Let's go. So you can also here write your wishes. Then meron dyan.
Balik tapak yan, Pray.
So ito guys yung map nung Inari Shrine Temple. So ayan, ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. All the way to this 2-story gate. And then ikot ka pa, ayan. Tapos ito yung mga shrine. So ayan. So, record ba na tapusin natin ito? Hindi. Sa harap lang. So ito yung mga torii gates. And then yung mga nakapangalan dyan is yung mga nag-donate na individuals and businessmen. So ayan, ito siya. Ayan.
You're fine.
So, quick update lang guys. Medyo sobrang daming tao. Hindi kami masyado nakapagkuha ng picture dyan. Naiwan din yung parents ko sa baba since ayaw na nila umakyat dito. So, ayun yung Torii Gate entrance. And then, sobrang haba ng tao. For sure, dun sa bandang dulo niyan is wala na masyadong tao. Pero we don't have much time. And anyway, we also have here like few gardens that you can have. So, yeah. So, here, ayan. Check nyo na lang dito guys. So, ayan, may mga view dito and then gardens, etc. So, ayan.
Dadaan niya yung train dyan.
Say hi. Oh my god. So hi guys, so upo muna yung ating mga vloggers. So ako muna yung mag-vlog takeover. But anyway, so nandito kami ngayon sa Nara Park. So from the temple na pinuntahan namin kanina, it will take around 1 hour via bus. And then dito na kayo ida-drop sa may Nara Park. So we have around 1 hour and 20 minutes to roam around here. And then some trivias about or facts about Nara Park is that Nara Park is a home for over thousands of deer, wild deer. So mga tinatawag sa kanila ay mga Shika deer if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, another thing is that yung mga deers dito natutunan ng magbow in exchange of the cookies. So ayan, actually marami kayong makikita dito and then pwede kayong kumain. Pakainin sila ng cookies and then may mga nagtitinda lang ng cookies. So try natin bumili and then mapakain sila. So let's go. Go Christine. So for example, they will bow first and then gabon. Bow. Ayun, ang gawin eh. Green. Vanilla and green. So we have here the cremia. So it's a cone but medyo matigas siya. And then, yeah. Hi guys, so just a quick room tour. So nagbook ako ng Airbnb dito malapit sa may Dotonbori. It's like 5 minutes to 10 minutes away from Dotonbori. And I booked for this room, good for 4 to 5 persons. And this is a typical Japanese condo unit or apartment. So ito yung entrance niya. So we have here the shoes strictly prohibited and then meron na siyang mga free na mga shoes. And then after that one, so ito yung hallway niya. Yun yung kwarto. So there's a 1 bedroom and then the yung sala. We have the CR and then the laundry room. So this is the laundry room actually with the bathroom. So ayan, actually patapos na kami dito. This is our last day in Osaka and nakalimutan ko lang mag-vlog. So anyway, they have washing machine here, the blower, the mirror. Ayan. Ayan yung ano. Tapos meron din ditong mini bathtub plus yung shower. Meron din mga free conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. So ayan. So after that one, ito naman yung kanilang CR, toilet. Ginagamit lang. And then here is the sala. So may fridge and then meron ding microwave. So bumibili lang kami ng for example, for morning, bumibili lang kami sa Family Mart ng ready to heat na pagkain. And then ayan. So they also have this sink, pwede ka din magluto. And then alam ko may kaldero or something din dito. Ayan. As well as the exhaust fan. Itong bed, you can convert it into a bed, sofa bed. So ayan, TV, etc. So ayan, water. And then meron siyang dalawang bed. And then meron din siyang mga cabinets dito. And then yung terrace niya, ito na. So actually, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's like 5 minutes away from 5 to 10 minutes away from Dotonbori. So yun lang. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, that's it for our video here in Osaka. So we spent around 3 days here in Osaka, and ayan, nagpipicture lang kami dito sa may Glicoman. But anyway, I hope you were inspired by this video to travel with your family. We were just so blessed na nakaka-travel kami with our family now. And sana masama natin sila habang nakakalakad pa sila at hindi pa sila nahirapan maglakad talaga. So anyway, that's it. Ito nga pala, papunta na kami dito ngayon sa station at of course, pumili sila ng pasalubong na pulbo. And that's it for our video for today. Nag-book lang kami ng taxi dyan, papunta dun sa station. And maraming salamat sa panonood. Ciao!
There'll be girls across the nation that